Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic models, the Free Village and the EUHOMY. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The Free Village Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $99, while the EUHOMY model comes in slightly cheaper at $94. This small difference could influence your decision, especially if you're looking to save a few dollars. Next, let's talk about ice production. Both machines can produce ice in just 6 minutes, with the Free Village offering a slightly higher capacity of 26.5 pounds of ice per day compared to EUHOMY's 26 pounds. This minor difference may not be significant for most users, but it's worth noting for those who need a higher ice output. Finally, let's look at user ratings. The Free Village Ice Maker has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 from over 5,500 reviews, while the EUHOMY model boasts a slightly higher rating of 4.4 from more than 11,600 reviews. This suggests that users generally prefer the EUHOMY for its performance and reliability. In conclusion, both the Free Village and EUHOMY countertop ice makers offer great features and performance for their price. Your choice may depend on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.